let's get started. First, you'll need a pan. This could be any size or shape. Some that work great are muffin tins, bundt pans. Mine is circular, or just about any pan you can find in your kitchen will work. Then you'll need some fruit. We used oranges, cranberries, and some old blueberries I found in my refrigerator. You can add any nature items you'd like. Go take a look around your yard. I added pine cones, a piece of branch that fell off my Christmas tree, anything you want to add. And finally, some scissors and yarn. Start adding your items. Don't worry too much about where they end up. When you add the water, they all move around a little bit. Once you've added everything, slowly fill it up with water. Grab your scissors and string or ribbon and cut yourself a piece. Here, I am using ribbon from local Cream City ribbon that is biodegradable. This way, once melted, it can be used as nesting material for birds and squirrels and won't end up in the landfill. Next, pop it in the freezer, or if it's below freezing overnight, let it freeze outside. Time to enjoy your Suncatcher. Put it outside on a tree, maybe somewhere that's visible from inside your house. Admire the beauty, but don't be too upset when it melts. Animals will enjoy your goodies. Birds and squirrels will be pleased with this winter treat.